Quantum readiness is an important initiative that carries a really challenging first step problem, which is that discovery and inventory of cryptography exposure can be really hard. It's embedded in applications and APIs, east-west traffic, cloud workloads, containers, third-party services. It lives inside IoT and OT devices, and it falls between the cracks when there is no clear owner and when it isn't connected to the IT management platforms. Today, we're going to focus on what you can do about it. In this short demo, we'll show how Gigamon turns PQC discovery and inventory from an elusive pain point into a manageable, measurable program, and it does this without the use of agents in your devices. You can build your plan based on a complete understanding of your assets so that you can take control and you can finish ahead of schedule. So this is what I want for you, that you will arm yourself with the visibility, agency, and control you need, having deployed Gigamon as your PQC easy button. So Gigamon provides complete network visibility, coming from independent taps on the network that are non-intrusive to servers, routers, switches, or applications. And you get visibility everywhere, north, south, east, west, virtual, public cloud, anywhere and everywhere on the network. And critically, this includes visibility for OT and IoT devices, which cannot run an agent. Gigamon converts that visibility into metadata available for reporting from a SIEM like Elastic or Splunk, which is being shown here. If you use agentic AI at your organization, this data is also AI ready, which can be seen in a separate demo. And because Gigamon already identifies it, this enables Splunk to effortlessly show a breakdown of all encrypted traffic on the network. And it's broken out here by what is a PQC safe. So this is anything running the PQC cipher, known as MLChem. What is PQC vulnerable? So this is traffic running TLS 1.3, but the PQC cipher was not negotiated. And then migration needed, which is all older forms, anything running TLS 1.2 or earlier. You can see it also calculates a readiness score, which is fully customizable to your needs. A little further down, it shows how the readiness changes over time. And it even tells you what are the top things you can do to impact the readiness score. But this demo isn't limited to just readiness scoring. You can also drill in and get the whole punch list of IPs that need to be updated. We can drill in a little further on these IPs, and it shows the summary of the exposure, and it shows the different applications and the ports, and what TLS protocol is being used, and what was the cipher that was negotiated. You can drill in even further and get the full details around the handshake, what was offered, and what was negotiated. And since Splunk also allows integrations with IT management platforms like ServiceNow, you could also click this button to open a ticket pre-populated with details from the Gigamon data. Pretty easy, right? This is why we call it the PQC Easy button. Now to recap, Gigamon visibility is crucial to the key steps of PQC readiness. Discover, you get the map to where all your cryptography lives. Execute, you get the punch list of upgrades that need to be done. Report, you have the main data you need to support executive visibility. And audit, you get continuous verification when a new asset is deployed on the network. I'll close with this. With Gigamon, you don't rely on others to self-report status, and you don't miss assets that fall through the cracks. You will arm yourself with the visibility, agency, and control you need deploying Gigamon as your PQC Easy button.